If your vocal recordings sound thin, noisy, or just off, this one's for you. In this video, I'm breaking down the right way to record vocals in FL Studio so your mix can start strong from the first take. The first thing that you want to set up prior to your recording is your buffer size. Now how you do this is by going to options, you go into audio, and then you want to click here where it says buffer length. Now most common audio interfaces go as low as 512. Anything lower than that can cause glitching and whatnot depending on the audio interface itself. But on my audio interface, I can go as low as 256. But when you're recording, you want your buffer as low as possible so that there aren't any vocal delays. I'm just going to leave mine at 512 because it works perfectly there. The second thing that you want to set up is then your mic input, and how you do this is by going to your mixer channel, selecting a track, for example this empty insert here, insert 10, and then you want to come here where it says none to select your preferred microphone input. In my case, it will be in 1. I'm going to mute this because it's going to feed back. And then the third thing that you want to do in this setup is your track routing. So how you do this is by coming into this recording track itself, renaming it first of all as recording. Once renamed, you want to right click on it and then click on assign to new audio track. And then you'll see in your playlist that it's added a recording audio track there, which is where all your recordings are going to happen. But wait, before you hit that record button, there's one thing that you need to check, and that's your levels. So what you want to do is go back to that mixer state, and then you just want to monitor your microphone input, and you can test this by getting as close as possible to your microphone, seeing where it peaks, and then moving back to a comfortable position. Your mic should generally be peaking at -6 or -3 dB. Anything higher than that will create peaks in your vocals, which can lead to distorted vocal recordings. This is the cleanest way to record vocals, and you can grab my free vocal preset chain to go with it. Links in the description. Just remember, good recordings lead to good mixes. You can't really fix bad audio with plugins. And inside the Mix and Go bootcamp, we touch on everything all the way up to the final export, step by step. If this helped you, hit like and drop your recording questions in the comments below. And don't forget to check the description for your free tools as well as the full bootcamp. Peace.
Let's take a ride where you can fly with me. Straight to the sky where I can't wait to see. Just you and I, we're making history. Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, hey.